I Swaraj, I Anand,
And I am Jim.
And I am Vinay.
I am here to tell you some innovative ideas on some problems around us. Common problems around us are garbage accumulation in streets and drains, civil issues like potholes, broken streetlights and mosquito breeding, high energy consumption for traditional streetlights, poor public toilet hygiene, and low recycling rate leading to plastic pollution. Today we are talking on a problem, civil issue like pothole, broken streetlight and mosquito breeding. In India, commonly problem is damaged footpath, open manhole, which causes many deaths per year. Lack of proper waste collection or overflowing bins also causes pollution, which also causes to death, not directly but indirectly. Air pollution from burning waste or traffic. Over to Anshu.
अब मैं आपको इस डाटा के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा 2013 से लेकर 2021 तक एक्सीडेंट ड्यू टू पोथोल्स लगभग पर ईयर 7,995 हुए हैं और डेथ सब तक पोथोल्स के कारण 2,425 हुए हैं। इसके कारण बीमारियां मलेरिया के कारण 150 से 200 लगभग मौतें हो चुकी हैं पर ईयर और डेंगू के कारण 150 से 250 मौतें होती हैं। Now over to you.
Potholes, poor road quality, heavy traffic and water blocking weather, broken street lights, over infiltration, vandalism, accident or poor maintenance, mosquito rate, stand water and trash and cold drainage, construction sites and neglect. Anti-social solution, easy reporting, Induction tagging, quick communication, real-time tracking, transparency, communicating, engagement.
इसके कुछ और सॉल्यूशंस भी हैं जैसे कम्युनिटी रिपोर्टिंग एप्स जैसे इंश्योर क्विक विजिबिलिटीज इवन बिफोर अथॉराइज्ड नोटिस एंड अडॉप्ट अ रोड इन इट बिल्ड्स अ कम्युनिटी एंड सिविक्स राइट और eco-friendly roads and patching reduce pollution faster than the government tender process. Citizen audit teams, public pressure motivates timely repair. अब eco-friendly patching के बारे में भी कुछ बात करते हैं जैसे low carbon process energy saving ये मतलब energy save करता है जैसे पहले warm mix salt जिसे WM ये कहते हैं सर्कुलर इकोनॉमिक मटेरियल वेस्ट टू रिसोर्स हाई RAP कंटेंट स्ट्रेटेजिक एंड टेक्निक्स लॉजिस्टिक एफिशिएंसीज इन प्लेस ऑफ रिसाइक्लिंग people suffering based on the most recent complete census data rural population 68.8%. In urban areas, urban population approx 31.2%. Now we will talk about the challenges that people face due to their day-to-day life, like mosquitoes-borne disease, malaria that we all almost 95% of the population and 1.25 billion individuals. Now road safety. Over 15,000 persons killed in 2021 and street lighting up to 70% of street lights. Civic issues need to citizen actions combine creativity, responsibilities and the technology. Small efforts matter, report, repair and closures, clean, build safer and smarter cities. Real progress begins when people act. Now I will over to Sparsh.
Thank you everyone for watching us. Thank you.